DLC Coordinator, Donato Ray Christie, and Mary Ann Villano. Hanya utusan ng likodan, ayun unit kang company of Idonia Basilia Quilon Memorial High School, Bagong Silang TV Camarines Sur, and invited group commander Daniel Castro Verde, Mary Ann Lona S1, Marie Chris Brayao S2, John Rainier Orjales S3, Robbie Biag S4, Major Leader Alpha Company Commander Abet Santana, Company EXO Samantha Palacio, Press Patrol Boy Abel Santana, Second Patrol Girls Jessa Salvino, Principal Olieto Benito de la Torre, Mapi Facilitator Rafael Carandang, Michael de la Torre, Assistant Safety Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, number 3 and number 4, Alta Marino Blanco High School, and Doña Basilia Quilon Memorial High School from the Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 3 and entry number 4.